This is part one of a two-part series on the benefits of upgrading from Personal Analyst to Personal Hotline. Let's begin with what's the same. The file format for both the data files and the lists are interchangeable. So very easy to move your data that you've been using in Personal Analyst to Personal Hotline. Secondly, the analysis tools and charting methods that are in Personal Analyst are all in Personal Hotline as well. You're giving up nothing, and as you begin to use Personal Hotline, you can continue to do the exact same analysis that you've done in Personal Analyst. Third, the interface is the same. So you have your menus are the same: file, edit, charts, analysis, windows, list management, special. It's going to be a very easy transition to go from one program to the other. You can continue to do everything you've been doing while you assimilate the new tools, features, and benefits of Personal Hotline. So what is different? Well, let's take a look at the studies or technical analysis tools. In Personal Hotline, we have divergence from average, which is a measurement of an oscillator that measures the difference between price and moving average. We have the TTM squeeze, which is a oscillator from John Carter, very popular tool right now. Connors RSI, same thing. This one's from Jerry Connors. It's based on RSI with some different twists. The Alligator is a Bill Williams indicator, which uses offset moving averages. Then there's the Ikimoku Cloud, which is another Japanese indicator. Very, very interesting stuff. And Money Flow from Mark Chaikin. So half a dozen indicators that are in Personal Hotline that are not in Personal Analyst. In addition, the moving averages in Personal Analyst, there are 3 of them, and in Personal Hotline you have 4 moving averages, and they can be offset, which is something that Personal Analyst can't do. Differences in how the moving averages are applied. And finally, as far as the analysis tools go, the Fibonacci ratios have available, in addition to the normal ratios, extensions. This is a tool that allows you to take Fibonacci ratios and not just use them for looking for where retracements might go, but looking where prices might go when a security breaks out or breaks down. In addition to the analysis tools, in both programs you have bar charts, candle charts, line charts, and point and figure charts. But also in Personal Hotline, we've added Heikin-Ashi charts. This is another Japanese chart that is based on a similar calculation to true range that's used in Wells Wilder's DMI and our own true range oscillations. So again, you have special tools like Ikimoku Cloud. All of these indicators that are in Personal Hotline that are not in Personal Analyst, or at least most of them, we've done separate videos on how to use them. They're in our video library if you want to review those as well. It discusses what these tools are based on and how they're used. In part 2, we're going to discuss some special features that are in Personal Hotline that extend the benefits of all these different technical analysis tools. Things that enable you to set up buy and sell systems, where there's already a buy and sell system set up by us that tracks its own performance, etc. So we'll get onto that in part 2. Thank you for watching this one.